Hey Rex, you want to do a knife review? Yeah? Alright, well I got one to show you here today, man. This is the Wixco Scort, and I was instantly just saw this and I thought of one of my favorite knives, which is the Tenable Fenrir, or the Concept Fenrir. But this is like a bigger version. If you really like that kind of harpoon type of knife, I mean, yeah, this one here is definitely it. And again, I love this knife here, but man, I always was hoping it would be a little bigger. This one definitely is. It is overall 8.2 inches. It is closed at 4.6 inches, and the blade on it is actually 3.6 inches. So, yeah, it's a good sized knife, a lot of nice cutting belly on it, and it does have that ramp, which has a little bit of jimping on it, but you know what? The jimping on it really seems to do it. What I also like about it is that it's 14C28N steel with an HRC of 58 to 60. So there it is there. And this here, the handle is actually aluminum, but as you can see, it's got kind of like that coating on it that's really, really nice on the skin. It's almost like a baked on coating. And the inlay on this one here, they just say it's a hand rubbed satin steel, but it does look like copper. So I would imagine that this one here would be prone to some patina kind of like effect from your thumb oils maybe getting on it or whatever. But regardless, it's pretty nice, and the whole thing is very contoured. The weight on this one is a little more than the other versions. It's actually just under 5 ounces. It's 4.97 ounces, and the handle thickness on this is just over a half inch at 0.55 inches. And what I like about this company, it actually, the case that comes with this is pretty cool. It's a nice zippered case, kind of has that kind of marbled gray kind of feel to it. You do get a microfiber cloth on here, and also, there you go. They got a pretty good warranty to them. And a little bit about them, well, first, let me just show you this here. This is a dual action opening knife. So you do have very nice very nice thumb studs on it. And you got some jimping on that flipper tab that's just right above the pivot point, which is ceramic ball bearings. So as you saw, with little effort, this is a very smooth opening knife and closing, and the liner lock on it is right there. I mean, it is really nice. It's got an inset kind of liner lock to it, and you can see the milled inlay liners. It is right-handed only, but it does have a nice deep pocket clip that is goes in and out of the pocket just fine. And let me show you here. Yeah, that's about all it's showing out of the pocket. It's a very nice clip. So about Wixco, I didn't even know about this company again, and there are some companies that are coming out that I'm really digging a lot of their products from what I'm seeing. But Wixco was founded in 2024 and is from the same team of the skilled craftsmen and designers from the premium knives at Monster. I'm not even familiar with Monster because I'm a budget knife kind of guy. But the Wixco line offers these high-performance knives at a more accessible price point, catering to the outdoor and everyday carry community. So they're manufactured by the same trusted team behind Monster, but they're delivering on quality and durability. And this does feel pretty durable, and the quality on it is exceptional. It's pretty nice. But they do all this while remaining budget friendly. One other cool thing about Wixco is that if you're on their site, they offer a 15% discount available to military members and veterans. So I'm both, and I think that's pretty awesome of them. Now, this model here is Right now, you can get it for $58.60 on White Mountain Knives. And if you throw in my code NCN, you get 10% off of that. So, and that's with free shipping. You can also get this knife on their site for Wixcoknife.com for $69 and the same price on Amazon if you really desire that next day shipping kind of stuff. Now, there's two other different versions I saw of this here, and one is the WX14A. It's a black aluminum handle with shredded carbon fiber inlay with black blade, and it's actually lighter at 4.9 ounces. And then there's the WX14B, which is also a black blade, but a gold aluminum with shredded carbon fiber inlay at also 4.9 ounces, or 0.9 ounces. Both of those versions are a little more pricier. They're at 99 bucks. I've seen them available on Amazon. This here is the only version I saw for the Wixco Scort on White Mountain Knives. But, I mean, feel free to check out any of those places. I'll leave the links in the description. Let me know what you think. So let's just get one more closer look at this here before I let you go. And yeah, this is, whew, it is nice. And I gotta tell you, it is razor sharp. Just using, I can do better than that. Let's see. Ooh, it's like effortless. That's wrapping paper. And yeah, if you need to wrap something, it's not a problem with this baby. It's a very, very sharp knife, very pointy, very comfortable, and you even got a finger choil. So that's pretty cool too. And yeah, the whole thing, there's no hot spots whatsoever. It's got that nice aluminum back spacer there as well with the lanyard option. And I'm going to be keeping an eye out for this company, and I think you should too. So if you liked what you see here and you want to see more, feel free to leave a like, comment, keep it nice, and please subscribe. It's much appreciated. I know this guy loves that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.